welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. As you can see, I am not doing my nails today. I am actually going to be reviewing this little thing right here. So this one right here is the Kiss Power File. This is a rechargeable nail file and I got this one at Walmart. This is everything that you get on the actual box where you keep it. You also got your instructions in there. So there's English, Spanish, and French for the instructions. And you also get a little thing that shows you everything that you're supposed to get on it. You get a total of 9 accessories, which is actually really nice. The only thing that it doesn't have is something for you to control the spinning speed. So the revolutions per second you can control, but it gets the job done, and I will show you what exactly you can do with it. So first things first, let's go ahead and let's unbox it and see everything that you have in there. So the first thing that you have is the actual handle. Well, you will put all of your accessories in. It is battery operated, so you'll have to charge it before you start using it. It does recommend that you charge it for at least 24 hours before you start using it, and after that it says that the regular charge time is about 6 hours for you to be able to have it fully charged, which is honestly not bad. You can just leave it charged overnight. Right here at the top is the little hole where you will put your accessories in. It is very lightweight, it feels very nice to the touch. It fits my hand pretty well, and this is the on and off button. It has like 3 little dots in there so you can feel it. So if you go up, you turn it on. If you go down, you turn it off. It does come with a charger. As you can see, like I said, it is not battery operated. You can charge it. You can use it while you're charging it as well. It also comes with a small cuticle pusher. It is plastic and it doesn't feel sharp at all, and also this part right here is not sharp either. Now for the attachments, you do get a total of 8 attachments that will go on your file. It does says 9 accessories on the box, but that is only because they are counting the cuticle pusher as an accessory. So you actually only get 8 attachments. To start off, you get a cone-shaped file. It helps to eliminate rough skin and calluses. You get a precision tool. This is for more detailed surface filling and gently exfoliate cuticles as well. You get a pointed detail file. This one says that it's for sculpture acrylic overlays, precisely cleaning cuticle areas and underneath of a sculptor acrylic overlays. You get a polishing disc, which helps with buffing and shining nails. And you also get 4 discs. So you get 2 small discs and 2 large. And these are divided by either being a fine disc or being a coarse disc. And what they say for the fine disc is that they reduce length of natural and artificial nails. And for the coarse ones, it says that it reduces length of nail tips and overlays, and it can also reduce hardened areas of the feet. So all you need to do is just grab the tip that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to show you the cone-shaped one, and you just push it in there. Now, one thing to note about this file is that it doesn't secure the tips. So you have to make sure that you push in, make sure that it's really well in there, because you don't want to have your tip wobble while it's spinning, and also you don't want to have your tips just shoot out. After your tip is properly inserted, all you need to do is push up, and you can see that it starts spinning. Now all of these tips are actually really soft, so as you can see, I can put it on my fingers and it won't hurt me, and it doesn't get warm while it's on my skin, which is really nice. So this is very nice for someone that is just starting with an e-file, to make sure that they don't hurt their skin while they're filing or while they're buffing their nails. And lastly, to take out the tip, all you need to do is turn your file off, grab your tip and pull. It should come off without much struggling, but I have found that the smaller tips does give me a bit of trouble to pull them off. Now the last thing that I want to show you is how this nail file performs on either gel nails or nails with any kind of like underlay on them, and on natural nails. So I do keep both of my hands with different types of polish. My left hand, which is usually not my video hand, I do keep with gel polish on top. And then on my left hand, I do keep regular polish. So I just got you a bit closer so we can take a better look at how the file works on these gel nails. It did a pretty great job at taking the top layer of the gel polish. You want to file off the top layers of either the top coat or the color polish, and don't file all the way down to your actual nail. So this actually did a pretty good job at doing that. After doing this, what you want to do is you want to soak off any nail polish left. The file did do a great job being steady. I did not feel any kind of rumbling or any kind of wobbling from it, which is really good. And of course you will have a bunch of dust to work about, but that's okay. That's expected when you're filing down nails. Other than that, I did feel like not a lot of pressure was needed to get to my nails. It does warm up your nail bed if you're not careful. If you're staying too long on one spot, it will feel warm, but it was not burning or anything, which I'm pretty happy about. Now let's go ahead and try this electric file on regular nail polish. I still have a little bit on it, but that is nothing that I can't just deal with acetone a little bit. As you can see, it did not hurt my cuticle at all. It still feels really good, to be honest. And all I have to do is just put a little bit of acetone on here to take these little parts off. But I'm pretty happy with the result. It actually did a great job. It did better than I was expecting with the nail polish. And as you can see, even though it did go over my natural nail, where I do not longer have any base or anything like that, and it did not hurt it or scratch it or anything at all. I am actually very pleasantly surprised. That did a really good job. Now the last thing left to try is the filing discs. The one that I grabbed is the small fine disc because I do not trust anything bigger or any of the coarse ones to go on my natural nails, and I do not want to break a nail. I'm gonna try on this one, and then I'm gonna try on my natural nails that have no gel on them. It is not as hard as I thought it would be to file your nails with that disc, especially because they're round and they don't spin that fast, so you're not in risk of actually shaping down too much of your nail. It feels very smooth. It doesn't have any weird edges either. It's actually very nice. It gave me a very clean straight line at the end of my nail, which is something that I really like. So for natural nails, it's actually not bad at all. Is it good? For the price point, for being from Walmart, for all of the accessories it has, yes, it is good. Is it great? No. You could get more powerful e-files with control of speed, with control of pressure, with much more accessories at Amazon at kind of the same price as this one. Is it good for a beginner? Yes. If you're just getting started and you have never used an e-file, this is a good starting point to see if this is your thing. What I would say that is not beginner friendly are these discs right here. If you are using this on your natural nails, or if you have thin nails, if you have damaged nails, I would stay away from this disc. So would I recommend this? Yeah, I would. It's a great way to get started on e-filing. It's a great way to taste the water before you jump in. But if you're looking to start into nail art or maybe even a career as a nail technician, this might not be the way to go. So what do you think of the Kiehl's Power File? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye!